What's good, people? Back with another video, so you know it's the time. Let you know what's on my mind. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Check out the other videos when you got time. And listen, man, sometimes it takes more time to try to fix broken things than it is to just start new things. And I'm not saying every situation is like that, you know what I'm saying? It's different circumstances and situations that you gotta take in consideration. Now, you know what they say, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But if it is broken and you can fix it, you might want to try to fix it. But if it's taking more energy to fix it than it is, let me just use this analogy right here. It's just like having a car. You might love this car. This might be your car. This might be your ride. It's always been your baby. This your favorite car. After a while, cars break down. They give you problems. Stuff need to be changed. You know what I'm saying? Stuff need to be updated. Shit, the world changes around it. You know what I'm saying? Like, they went from carburetors to fuel injected to hybrids, now it's electric. So the world could change around it. You know what I'm saying? It may not be necessarily the car that's just bad, but it could be the world changing around it. You face these problems, man, and you gotta pay this right here for some brakes, you know what I'm saying, which is general maintenance, so that ain't no bad thing. But then you get a head blow, you know what I'm saying? But then your transmission starts slipping. And those things right there could be major problems, which you could take time to fix, and it could be costly. It could be so many of them things that just pile up, where you got a blown head gasket, you got a transmission slipping, blinkers and electrical system going crazy, you need a new computer in the car, and now you're trying to take all this time and all this money to rebuild this car right here. As much as you love it, it's just easier just to let that car go and go get you something else, man. And even if you ain't throwing it away, you might just sit it to the side till you get your money right to take care of your baby the way you need to. But you still need to go get something else. And it's the same thing in life, man. Sometimes we be trying to fix shit that be so broken, man, that it be so hard to fix it that it's just easier to go get something else, because the benefit that we gonna get from trying to fix it ain't gonna be equivalent to the benefits that we're gonna get from just going creating something new and starting over fresh. The same thing with the car. You don't really want to do people like that. You don't really want to throw people away. You don't really want to get rid of relationships, you know what I'm saying? But if that relationship ain't worth holding on to, fuck it. Go get a new relationship, man. If that job ain't worth holding on to and you keep trying to go through it with the boss and you get into it with the co-workers, but you like your job, but then at the same time you get into it with customers that just running you crazy. You can't enjoy yourself even when you're off work because you're stressed out about work. You might be scared to go get a new job or find something else, man, but man, fuck that job. Go get a new job. Life too short for that, man. Trying to hold on to shit that's happening. Scarcity mindset. Now, don't let it be confused. Don't be up in the clouds, living all up in the clouds like in Wonderland. You really do gotta look at the reality of your situation and what you're capable of and what you're capable of gaining and what you're capable of doing when you start something new. You know what I'm saying? So you do gotta take that into consideration. But at the same time, man, don't be trying to hold on to that old shit, man. Sometimes you got one thing I learned, me personally, all this shit I learned personally, but the one thing that I know for sure, man, in order for you to grab something better, you gotta let go of the old shit, man. You know what I'm saying? You wanna reach out and grab something else, man, you can't. If you got two hands and you holding on to something behind you, but you wanna move forward, man, you know, you gotta grab one here, then you still got this here, but you still holding on to this. So even if you still just swing, you still swinging, you in limbo. You gonna be in limbo. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta go ahead, let go and go ahead, swing, going forward, man. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes it's just easier to do that, you know, versus go through the hassle and the heartache and just the stress of trying to repair something that's beyond repair.
Hoping the best of my today is gonna be the worst of my future. Anybody I forgave, wonder if the feel is mutual. Learning my way through this maze without a tutor. Helping people no sooner, you give an inch, take a ruler. Searching for sight in the midst of a dark night. Embodied spirits of winners to finish in my sight.